This Nykaa lipstick is freaking nothing. Stay on my lips
Amazing,
for so
no?
long, yeah.
People are still joining.
This is very surprised. Do you want to do it for your personal Freddy's?
No, I don't want to go there right now. Okay, people are
Oh my
joining.
god, who's messaging you?
So hi guys, finally we are back. Finally, and I know कि हमने कोई warning नहीं दी है, हमने कोई message नहीं किया है, because today we're just going to meet and just chill and everything like that. But then learned from Alliance. Then I said let's do a live. I think it's much needed. It's been forever. I hope you guys have shopped a lot while I was away.
We have.
So yes, thank you all for showing so much love to us. And finally, I am back.
Woo! We missed you,
Still-
Tezo. It's been 2 months without this pretty face. We really missed you.
Still I am out a little bit, but we are back. September 1st, say I
Come.
take charge. And then I make my partner relax and say, you take it easy, you go for a holiday, because I am back. So,
Yes. So, do you all have any questions for little Tetu while she was away?
No. We're not answering.
Only one question.
Please, I'm so
Only
tired
one.
of answering. I've done too many
Nandini
interviews.
is done.
Nandu, loved you in Alliance. Thank you so much. Everybody's joining in. Too many people. Okay.
Can you please check your fan page?
I will.
Tetu has been checking her fan page and y'all have given her so much love.
Love.
Even on yours weekly business and everywhere. Thank you all.
We have so many people joining in. It is so cool. See, I just said let's do the surprise thing. Listen, guys, did you guys buy this earring? I just want to know. Like,
The last piece is on Taylor's ear. So yeah, it was very cute. Guys, what about the All for Tate drop? We did this especially for the Queen Bee.
and all hearts and all. I saw it.
Speak about
And
it.
I am like, this is so cute.
But she deserved it, right? Who's with me? Tezo totally deserved it in Alliance. That whole special drop for her, all for Tay. Where she was the main character, she was the queen bee, she was the winning shot of your
Chandu's
basketball
didn't love the all for Tate drop.
Oh,
Yay! Chandu, Vince felt little bad you didn't include her in the homecoming
Yeah,
video.
why wasn't I called for this surprise 4 a.m. party?
But
Like, I was fully ignored in this.
no, there was another friend who was ignored.
Who
So you
is-
can you both get together and you can do something.
Chandni, let's message.
Let's message.
Who was this third friend, yeah? Ignore her.
But
Wow, Chani is fully joined us.
she's always my
Hey
number
Chani,
one.
did you try the skincare? I'm super psyched to know what your opinion was. Where is she?
This is Nandini. Okay, hi guys. Hi, done deal.
Yeah,
We will save this live. Do not worry at all. We are back after
2 months.
2 months. I think this was
Yeah.
overdue. So happy to be back.
Yeah. Oh, Chani loved it.
She loved it.
Thank you, Chandu. We really wanted to hear this. We're gonna be back with many more crazy things just for you.
And we're having a new thing introduced also, which Vinti is going to guide you about because I just got to know. So we have.
We should in 5-10 minutes we'll tell them.
No, it's okay. It'll be
And
anyway.
then?
It's generally very, very nice. Waiting for some more skincare products from yours weekly. Okay, done.
Chani, done. For you, I will get every skincare product possible.
I think you, me, and Chandni should meet, and we guys should like hang together.
I can't believe someone did a 4 a.m. party. Didn't even message me. Huh? I'm so hurt.
Tell Aditi also.
Come on, Aditi. We were like Girnar friends. Yeah. Why was I forgotten just because it's been 10 years?
Guys, ये conversation personal हो रहा है. Let's go. Let's forget this.
So this live is specially because we have something very special for y'all. Yours weekly drop is now gonna go in a subscription wherein y'all can subscribe to us and know what's personally happening in our lives, as well as we're going to have special drops just for all of those who subscribe to Yours Weekly drops. So we're now open, get the subscriptions going, and we're going to give you all personal get ready with me's, personal accessories, personal skincare that's just going to be available
And
on
personal
subscription basis.
conversations also.
We need that.
Yeah.
So get going, join our subscription, and we'd love to chat with you all personally over there too.
One-on-one conversations only with Yours Weekly, jahan personally everything happens.
Yeah.
Oh, wow, that was nice.
That's our tagline.
Bro, since I've gone to Alliance, my taglines have become like crazy.
You always were. What is
I-
this since Alliance?
But now my people know my talent. No, before no one knew I had this side of me inside. Guys, I've always been a good spokesperson. It's just ki kabhi I always used to feel shy, but since I went to Alliance, it's just come out more stronger and better.
Take it forward. Take
Yeah.
the subscriptions going, and we have a special drop already called My Pretty Little Secret, just for those of y'all who subscribe to our channel. So this is for y'all. Go get going. We'll send y'all the link too when we find it.
Sorry. And I just want to say, Vinti got me this cute thing. We just met and then she got me these cute balloons, which is written congrats. Just want to say, Chandni, she wanted to do this at home, but then
No one called me. No one
yes,
messaged
but
me.
we love it. We put it out. I think it's the sweetest co-founder. I think Yours Weekly.
Pandu.
Yours Weekly is only complete when the two of us are there, and I think I never want to do anything without you.
Oh man, that's the speech
Yes.
unexpected speech ever, Taylor. How sweet.
But lots of love to you all, and thank you for supporting Yours Weekly while I was inside, okay? While I was inside and giving it all the love.